Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the amazing benefits of eating bananas. Bananas are one of the most popular and widely consumed fruits in the world, and for good reason. They're delicious, convenient, and packed with nutrition. So let's dive right in and take a closer look at why bananas are so good for you. Nutrient-packed, bananas are a great source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and dietary fiber. These nutrients are essential for maintaining good health and can help prevent a variety of health conditions. Digestion. The high fiber content in bananas can help improve digestion and prevent constipation. Bananas are also rich in prebiotics, which promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut and can improve overall gut health. Heart health. Bananas are high in potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure and heart function. Eating bananas can also help lower your risk of heart disease. Mood. Bananas contain tryptophan, which is an amino acid that helps regulate mood and can boost serotonin levels in the brain. This can help improve your mood and promote feelings of happiness and well-being. Athletic performance. Bananas are a great source of carbohydrates and potassium, which can provide energy and support endurance during exercise. They're also a convenient snack for athletes and can help improve recovery after workouts. Immune function. The vitamin C in bananas can help boost the immune system and protect against infection. Eating bananas regularly can also help support overall immune function. Weight loss. Bananas are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great option for weight loss and weight management. They can help keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. So there you have it, the amazing benefits of eating bananas. Whether you eat them on their own, in smoothies, or as part of a meal, bananas are a great addition to any diet. They're easy to find, affordable, and delicious, making them the perfect snack for anyone looking to improve their health. So next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to stock up on this superfood. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.